In the market for a high-flowing blow-off valve? Did you know that GFB makes the most compact and highest flowing blow-off valve on the market? This is the SV52, and we're going to explain why you need this blow-off valve. On high-powered turbo and supercharged engines that produce high boost, you need something that's strong and will last. That's why we designed the GFB SV52 to take up to 300 psi. We achieve this by CNC machining the body from a single aluminium billet. The internal design uses a piston instead of a diaphragm, which ensures ongoing, reliable operation under extreme pressure. Not only that, the piston is sealed with a unique configuration of O-rings to make sure it has the best possible seal when closed, and it'll open perfectly every time. We also wanted to make sure the SV52 will work in any engine bay, so we made it small and extremely high flowing. It's 10mm shorter than its nearest competitor, whilst flowing more, making it the ideal solution. There's 2 springs included in the kit, plus a spring preload adjustment system, so you can dial it in for optimum throttle response and boost recovery after gear shift, without resorting to the costly hit and miss approach of purchasing extra springs. We manufacture the SV52 here in Australia to the highest standards, and because we know it'll last, it has a lifetime warranty. So if you want the strongest, highest flowing and most compact blow-off valve on the market, get yourself an SV52. Visit the GFB website to find out more or to locate an authorised dealer.